How to remove authorized user in U.S. bank. To remove an authorized user from a U.S. bank account, follow these steps. You can call U.S. Bank's customer service at the number on the back of your card. Removing an authorized user from your U.S. Bank credit card requires a call to customer service at 800-285-8585. Be ready to provide your account details, like your account number or other verification information, to confirm your identity as the primary account holder. Tell the representative you'd like to remove an authorized user from the account. They may ask for the authorized user's details to complete the request. Make sure to confirm that the authorized user has been fully removed and that their access has been revoked. It's a good idea to monitor your account statements or check online banking to ensure the authorized user no longer appears. Thanks for watching.